Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about cool tech under $50. Let's head into it. Ceramic Waterfall Backflow Incense Burner. This ceramic waterfall home decor is absolutely beautiful. This is a backflow incense burner that can be placed almost anywhere in your home for both decoration and aromatherapy. When in use, the backflow burner is absolutely stunning. The smoke from the incense flows down through a maze, giving the impression of a waterfall to the viewers. The incense is primarily used for soothing purposes, but it also gives your home a nice appearance. This product has a potential to be low cost, high quality home decoration. The incense burner is made of ceramic material with a glossy finish that looks great on the table. This home decor is also a good gifting option, and it costs less than $30. Also make sure to write your thoughts in the comment section. Clip-on strainer. If you're like me and always slip some fruits or vegetables while cleaning them, this amazing kitchen tool is a must-have. When I soak fruits or vegetable, this always happens to me. This accessory is a great way to cut down on food waste while dishwashing. You may be interested in the following product features. Almost all round pots, pans, and bowls will fit into the specially designed clips. BPA-free, dishwasher safe, and FDA approved. Only the original Snap and Strain, which is made of high-quality silicone, has the durability to last for years. The item is around $15, but I'm pretty sure it's only $3 on AliExpress because it's just a piece of silicone.
Nothing bad has happened to it. I've washed it a few times now, and it seems to be as good as day one, so cleanup is pretty easy with it.
TileMate. Do you ever lose track of your keys? Phones that have gone missing? It's no longer difficult to locate them. This is the world's tiniest Bluetooth tracker, which can track your keys, phones, pets, bags, toys, and more. The world's best-selling Bluetooth tracker has just shrunk by 25%. TileMate attaches to keychains or anything else you don't want to lose, so you can find it quickly. When your TileMate is nearby, use your smartphone to make it ring. Isn't your towel where you left it? In the Tile community, you can ask for help anonymously. Tile is the world's largest lost and found network, with over 5 million devices sold. Locate your phone. Can't seem to locate your phone? Simply double press the TileMate's button to make your phone ring, even if it's on silent. Waterproof, meets IP57 standards. Melody at 88 decibels. Look to see where you last hit it. The free Tile app remembers the last time and location it saw your tile, so you'll always know where to look if you leave it somewhere. The manufacturer has discounted the product, but it's still available on Amazon.
When your usual things aren't where they usually are, you can just tap Find in the Tile app to make your tile ring.
Aukey KMG6. This is the keyboard to look at if you're looking for a good, affordable mechanical gaming keyboard. The KMG6 keyboard from Aukey is jam-packed with cool features. It's mechanical, backlit, customizable, affordable, and most importantly, is designed with gamers in mind. Enjoy the embedded super bright LEDs, experiment with color combinations, and program the keys however you want. Are you kidding me when I say it's water resistant? Here are a few features that you might enjoy. 6 color backlight. Each row has a different color, 9 preset lighting effects, and 2 assignable lighting effect slots. Choose a preset effect or tailor your designs to your computer's configuration. Otemu Blue switches are individually clicky and deliver accurate, responsive key commands for typing and gaming. Water resistant and long lasting. The brushed metal panel and double shot molded ABS keycaps are extremely durable and abrasion resistant. This RGB keyboard is extremely affordable, costing well under $50. This is the keyboard to get if you're looking for an entry-level mechanical keyboard. Moft Carry Sleeve. If you're looking for a laptop sleeve with some storage space, look no further than Moft Carry Sleeve. One of the coolest looking laptop sleeves with so many hidden features. If you're unfamiliar with Moft, they're a leader in the smartphone and laptop accessory industry. Check out their Moft G Sit Stand laptop stand that I recently tested. The Moft Carry Sleeve includes an invisible stand that allows you to raise your laptop and sit in a proper posture. You can work longer and be more productive with proper posture without jeopardizing your health. The ergonomic design of this laptop sleeve ensures maximum comfort. For a strain-free view of the screen, adjust the angle of your raised laptop to either 25 degrees or 15 degrees. If you're having trouble working at your current height, the Moft laptop sleeve is the answer. It's ultra slim and light, making it simple to transport to the office or a cafe to meet with clients. People consider not only the functionality, but also the style when purchasing the best laptop sleeves. This carry sleeve distinguishes you from the crowd and demonstrates professionalism. If you're worried about durability, don't be. It's made of scratch-resistant and waterproof material. This feature allows it to keep its new appearance for many years. A hidden pocket for cards is also included in the laptop sleeve. The Moft Carry Sleeve has expandable storage for power adapters, notebooks, cell phones, mice, hard drives, and other electronic devices. The isolated card slot, which keeps your card safe, is one feature I like. Night Black, Oxford Blue, Sienna Brown, and Classic Nude are just few of the colors available. The colors complement a wide range of outfits and personalities.
Introducing Moft Carry Sleeve, the newest member of Moft Invisible family.
What do you think about these tech gadgets? Which one is the coolest one? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it, hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.